Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to transform your passion into your career. Alright guys, what are we doing? This is Matthew Sorgi. Today I've got a really fun drawing for you guys. This is called the Quaranoid project. Really cool guy, Matt Bisher, is throwing this project together, basically talking about some things that people have picked up, hobbies, new skills, while they've been at home, during the pandemic. So he asked me to create an illustration. I've been doing some fun Zumba classes, so that is what I decided to go with. So it's kind of a fun character doing some YouTube Zumba courses in their room. My digital process for this piece was the same as it usually is. You guys saw I did a traditional sketch to start. I always do that. I always start traditional. Then I scan it or just take a picture of it, and then I do some multiply layers to get some base colors down, and I just keep rendering slowly up from that. Slowly starting to work more opaquely, rendering some details, but I really like the multiply layers. They allow me to put down large chunks of value. Definitely not the most painterly way to work. It usually ends up with a pretty graphic style, but it's kind of the way I like to do it when I'm working traditional. Nope, digital. And another thing which you guys are about to see is me literally laying in bed. This is a big reason why I love digital art, because I can just lay on my side or lay down on my back and do all my digital art in bed. It's so nice. Hey guys, I wanted to let you know I should be organizing my room because I'm redoing it, right? But instead I've just been laying here. I had to switch things around again, but I don't want to do it. Look at all this stuff I have to organize. Okay, I can do it. I'll put some music on. We're gonna get down to it. All right.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República.
So the next thing I've got going on today is building an FAQ page for my website. I've got my shop, I've got my portfolio, I have an about page, and I feel like this FAQ is the last thing I need to kind of bring my website all together. I asked you guys on my Instagram for some questions, and I'm going to pick my favorites and answer those on my site. That perfectly brings me into today's sponsor, which is of course Squarespace. I said it at the beginning of the video and I'll say it again, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to turn your passion into your career. I've been using Squarespace for over a year now, and their services allow me to build an amazing online store, which I am so happy with. I think it looks so clean, it's so me, it's so easily customizable, and I was able to build a beautiful portfolio page to showcase my work to clients and also my following, you guys. It really just takes your work and brings it to such a professional level that has really allowed me to build the brand that you guys know and love. I recommend Squarespace to absolutely anyone. I get questions all the time from younger artists asking how to start your online presence. I always say Squarespace, and even for a developed brand that's looking for an upgrade, Squarespace is the place for you as well. You can see how easily I'm able to throw this FAQ page together. What I love most about Squarespace, it is so easy to use, so quick, that I can constantly keep my website updated, fresh, clean, professional. I never have to worry about it getting out of date and to be a bother to update, because I can literally sit down and get it done in an hour. I cannot recommend them enough. Head on over to squarespace.com to start your free trial today. And when you're ready to launch your site, go to squarespace.com/Sorgy and you will get 10% off your first website or domain. Seriously amazing. Thank you so much, Squarespace. I love you guys. I love working with you guys. Such a pleasure to be partnered with you. Seriously, I have nothing but good things to say. Check it. Thank you again, Squarespace. Love you.
How do I zoom? I'm ready. Are you ready? There he goes into the woods. Go get him, Churro. And this is where he ends up, in the woods. Life in Connecticut.
Where's the dog?
She's up there. Digging her face in the snow. You could play Miley Cyrus's It's the Climb. I can't believe you brought the skis out. I think you need to bring Churro in too. She's gonna freeze.
Okay.
You want to introduce yourselves first?
We have some Christmas trees?
No.
You want me to introduce myself? I am the strawberry mama.
You want to introduce yourselves?
Is that okay?
You can. State yourself.
State myself. Hello, I am Sarah Sorgy. I am Matthew's mother, aka the strawberry mama. This is my weekly job, packing orders.
Yay. Anna.
My name's Anna. I'm Matthew's sister.
Yay.
I'm Julia, I'm his older sister. Yeah, you've never seen me before in a video, probably.
I've made one appearance.
You've made an appearance.
Yeah.
I haven't
Everyone
seen that
loved
one
you,
yet.
not me.
What?
But also, like, I talk to myself a lot sometimes as if I'm like, you talk to yourself? Sometimes. Oh, yeah. Wait, you should give the story of what happened to your finger.
Julia's home. We're all home. My heart and home are full. All my kidlets. I'm home from college.
I didn't go to college.
Oh, shit. Oh, no cursing. This is a family show. Yip yip.
Do you want to film a family video?
What?
We could do
doing
a
that
My
right
Family Exposes Me.
Oh no.
Oh my god, I don't like that.
That feels like, oh, that feels.
What's the point of putting a thing in the center? Because it never stays in the center.
Anna?
Like, what?
Don't ask questions.
It doesn't have.
Another one for New Jersey.
Do you feel weird that this many people like want your shit? Oh, was I not supposed to curse?
Don't hear that trash talk. You're cursing too. This
It's
has
not
gotta
cursing.
stop. I'm gonna shut down production.
I'm the CEO.
I thought-
I'm one of this house.
I'm the CEO of this house.
For
What
what?
are you
No,
gonna do?
Julia, you can go like this.
No scissors involved. Production line.
Whatever.
Is everybody satisfied with their job?
It's fine.
I'm so satisfied.
I actually feel kind of good at my job because I did the thing you told me to last time, which is use my nails.
You like origami.
You guys used to love
We did used to
origami.
love origami.
Remember that?
Yeah, you guys were obsessed.
Remember when I was more talented artist than Matthew?
You're more creative than I am. If you actually stuck with it, you'd be much better than I am. That's facts.
You guys would both be equally great.
No, I don't agree with that. I'm more technically focused and you're more creatively focused. Your art would be a lot more interesting than mine.
Did you see the stuff I made this semester?
No.
You don't tell us
Stuff.
anything.
I painted a foresty scene with mushrooms. I painted clouds. I painted colors. Halfway there. Oh,
Look. Quality control. This is a big deal. Also, this envelope isn't closed.
Oh, I forgot.
There's nothing in it.
Uh-oh.
The look of absolute fear on my family's face when there wasn't a packet in this envelope. They're terrified of me. Isn't it horrible? Oh my god. I can't. It cracks me up.
Alright, I think that pretty much wraps up our time together today. Kind of an interesting studio vlog. Good snow, good fun, lots of family time. I feel like I didn't do that much art in this video, but I also feel like I say that every time, so let me know if I need to stop vlogging random stuff and you just want to see me draw. Alright, so happy holidays. It's Anna's birthday, so time to celebrate. Gotta get this done. Gotta get this bread. Alright, thank you so much for being here. Yeah, have a splendid day. I'll see you in the new year. Happy 2021. By the time you see this, it might be New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve. Have a jolly good year. RIP 2020. Hallelujah. Good night.